Good morning, students. Last class we discussed commutative law, associative law, distributive law, and De Morgan's laws. Commutative means A union B is equal to B union of A, and A intersection of B is equal to B intersection of A. Second one, associative. Here consider three sets. A union of B union C is equal to A union B. Next, union of C. Same intersection. A intersection of B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection of C. This is associative. And next, third one, distributive law. Again, consider three sets. A union of B intersection C is equal to first A union B. Next here intersection. Again A union of C. Similarly again intersection here A intersection of B union C is equal to first A intersection B. Next here union A intersection of C. And last one, De Morgan's law, nothing but A union of B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So next one, Venn diagram. A diagrammatic representation of sets and properties of sets. Is called Venn diagram. Here in Venn diagram a set can be represented by circle or consider closed figure. In Venn diagram, a set can be represented by circle. That is set A. Or closed figure, nothing but like that. Set can be represented by one circle or closed figure. Here we have to show that A union B. A union of B, nothing but in one rectangle that whole set is called universal set. U nothing but universal set. This is a set A. This is a set B. Set A, set B. Union means addition, combine. That whole space that shaded portion indicates A union B, nothing but addition of A and B. Next we have to show that A intersection B, nothing but common place. Again one rectangle, consider two sets set A, set B. Intersection means common between A and B. This is a common place. That shaded portion indicates A intersection B. A intersection B. Next, third one. We have to show that A minus B. Set A, set B. This is the whole set A. This is the whole set B. There is a common space, nothing but A intersection B. Here, how to find A minus B? A minus B. Consider A is equal to something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Here we have to find A minus B. A minus of B. Consider A but not B. That is a minus B. Here, first we have to observe common elements. 3, 4, 3, 4. Remaining elements of A nothing but 1 and 2. 1, 2. A minus B. Here 1, 2. There is a common. Here 3, 4. Next in B 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minus B nothing but this space only. This space indicates A minus B. The shaded portion indicates A minus B. Similarly, B minus A. Again, consider set A, set B, A, B. Here, what is B minus A? B minus of A. Consider B but not A. B minus of A. What are the common elements here? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Remaining elements of B nothing but 5 and 6. 5, 6. Here 1, 2, common 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a B minus A, nothing but this space. This space indicates B minus of A. The shaded portion is B minus A. Next fifth one. A subset of B. A subset of B. Set A. This is a set B. That indicates A is subset of B. This is a B set. This one is a set A. That whole set is universal set. Next one. A is symmetric difference between B. Nothing but A symmetric B nothing but A minus B union of B minus A. Set A. Set B. A symmetric B nothing but union of A minus B and B minus A. A minus B again, this shaded portion indicates A minus B. Again next, B minus A. B minus of A. The shaded portion indicates B minus of A. That whole space indicates A symmetric B. Here we have some formulas. First one, if A and B are into finite sets, then how can you find n of A union B? N of A union B. Consider set A, set B. A union B nothing but whole space, addition of A and B. How can you find A union B? Nothing but first n of A, n of B minus common space, nothing but A intersection B. This is equal to n of A plus n of B minus of n of A intersection B. There is n of A in B is equal to. Similarly, consider three sets. N of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C. Next, minus. Consider intersection. A intersection B. Next, B intersection C. Minus. A intersection C or C intersection A, both are same. Minus of n of A intersection C. And finally, intersection of A intersection B intersection C. There is a plus. A intersection B intersection C. And third one, how can you find A minus B? A minus of B nothing but set A, set B. A minus nothing but exactly only this space. A minus B. How can you find A minus B? Set A minus of common space, nothing but A intersection B. N of A minus N of A intersection B. N of A minus B is equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. Fourth one, N of B minus A. N of B minus A is equal to same. This is a B minus A space. Set A, set B. This is a B minus A. Set A, set B. B minus nothing but whole set B minus of common space A intersection B. N of B minus N of A intersection B. Consider an example. Out of 250 people, 160 drink coffee, 90 drink tea, 85 drink milk, 45 drink coffee and tea, 35 can drink tea and milk, 20 drink all the three. So, question is here, how many will drink coffee and milk? That set indicates first one, coffee. Next, set to be nothing but that indicates tea. Third set indicates milk. Here what is the question? How many will drink coffee and milk? Nothing but intersection of this space. That is the question. First given data. Out of 250 people, nothing but union. N of C union Next one, T union M is equal to 250. Next given data, 160 drink coffee, that is the N of C, is equal to 160. 90 can take T, N of T is equal to 90. 85 milk, N of M, that M indicates milk, 85. 45 drink coffee and tea, and means there is an intersection, N of coffee and tea, C intersection T is equal to 45. Next given data, 35 drink tea and milk, again and means intersection, N of T intersection M is equal to 35. And last one, 20 drink all the three, nothing but C intersection M intersection T, N of C intersection M intersection T is equal to 20. Here what is the question? How many will drink coffee and milk? How many will drink coffee and milk? That is the question. Here again formula, N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B minus, N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Here C union T union M is equal to first N of C plus next T, N of T plus N of M minus intersection C and T, C intersection T minus next T and M minus C and M, and last one plus C intersection T intersection M. So here N of C union T union M nothing but 250 is equal to N of C value 160 plus N of T value 90 plus N of M 85 minus N of C intersection T 45 minus T intersection M 35 minus C intersection M, that is the question, N of C intersection M plus last one C intersection T intersection M nothing but 20. So 250 as it is. This is equal to 160 plus 90 nothing but 250. 250 plus 85. 250 plus 80. 330, 335. 335 plus 20, 355. 355. Minus here 45, 35, nothing but 80. Minus of 80. That minus of N C intersection M as it is. 250 as it is equal to 355 minus anything but 275 minus N of C intersection M. That is the question. How many will drink coffee and milk? C intersection M as it is. Okay, next. This one is minus here. If it comes here, plus N of C intersection M is equal to again 275 as it is. This one is plus here. If it comes here, minus 250. N of C intersection M is equal to 275 minus 250, nothing but 25. So 25 can drink coffee and milk.